What's the meaning of cupping? Cupping. Cupping.
Cupping. Cupping. Cupping is a traditional therapy technique that involves placing cups on the skin to create a suction effect. This suction draws the skin and underlying tissues into the cups, which can help to stimulate blood flow and promote healing. The result of cupping therapy can vary depending on the individual and the specific condition being treated, but it has been reported to help with pain relief, muscle tension, inflammation, and relaxation. It is important to note that cupping should only be performed by trained professionals, as improper technique can lead to injury or adverse effects.